honest impact for defending Teacher May. Paulo Cruzada. Here's the question: is why you still harassing Teacher May? Does even Teacher May harass you? Or does even Teacher May accuses you? Oh, just remember, Paulo Cruzada, you are a wrong accusation. You're a false accusations toward the Teacher May that you're threatening to hostage at her. Remember, I contact with Jude Goles with this gang. Even in Quezon City gang also, even the gangs of the Duterte supporters, even gangs of RM and Onyok, to protect Teacher May's house in Cainta, Rizal. From Paulo Cruzada. Remember, protection. You remember I watched in Batang Quiapo about the protection of Guerrero in Manila City Hall. They need protection. Paulo Cruzada, I will never going to forgive you for what you did to Teacher May. At least I already chatted Ramon Jose in Messenger. I say to him, Ramon Jose, you can block Paulo Cruzada. You need better to tell Jordan Bunagan and Manuel Luis Antonio to block Paulo Cruzada. Because people there are angry at him. Paulo Cruzada, I will never going to forgive you for what you did to Teacher May. Now you see, Teacher May had reported you to to PNP anti-cybercrime group. Teacher May had reported you to NBI Cybercrime Division. Oh. Now you see, Paulo Cruzada, what you have done, what you did to Teacher May, for what you did to Joseph Maspinas. And now you see, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May had reported to Atipura, and she messaged Miguel Bonono in Facebook. She told Atipura at the time when she messaged Miguel Bonono in Facebook, who was using by Atipura, and Atipura seen that Paulo Cruzada is attacking Teacher May, that he threatening to hostage at her. What does it really happens for you, Paulo Cruzada? She doesn't do anything to you. For what you have done to Teacher May, over the years that you attacking her, last year and 2 years ago you attacking Teacher May, you will pay for your consequence, Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May and I were not doing anything. Let me ask you something, Paulo Cruzada. What is wrong with you with Teacher May, ha? That she is supporting Rodrigo Duterte to fight against ISIS terrorists, to support Rodrigo Duterte to fight against illegal drugs and war on drugs in the Philippines. What the heck is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Are you siding with the ISIS? Are you siding with Kian de los Santos? Are you siding with the drug victims who were killed by Rodrigo Duterte? Bobo ka kasi, Paulo Cruzada. I will never going to forgive you, Paulo Cruzada. I will never forgive you. If you are a Marcos loyalist, if your responsibility for attack Teacher May, that is your fault. Even Joseph Maspinas, you harassing him also. And you're telling a lie that Teacher May Tiburcio and Joseph Maspinas, that they have a car, they have a driver's license. Joseph Maspinas is riding a bike to go to school in Davao City. Teacher May is using a jeep. She always commute when she goes to Quezon City in CDIFI. Ano pake ko sa'yo, Paulo Cruzada? What is the real problem about my former teacher? Oh, and even J. Rick Silva's friend. Ha? What is your real problem, Paulo Cruzada? You know, I never want to curse you. Why I curse you in my YouTube video? Because of you, Paulo Cruzada. You're saying about to J. Rick Silva, hayop ka. Napakawalang, napaka-bobo mo. Or you say about the words. And you say that to Teacher Kel. And even Eskel Penumbra, you want to rape Teacher Kel. She's not here in the Philippines. Paulo Cruzada, she's in the US. When I discussed with J. Rick Silva, I said to him, nasa Amerika po si Teacher Kel. She was not there in the Philippines. Oh. And one of the spedmotics of J. Rick Silva asking him, nahuli ba si Paulo Cruzada? Hindi pa. Napakawalang niya mo, Paulo Cruzada. You know, you are a very notorious. Everyone will hate you more. All of your friends from CDIFI to the Autism Society of the Philippines, including everyone, they hate you. The CDIFI teachers and staff, they already hate you too. They really hate you, Paulo Cruzada. Not just like that, the Miss Earth 2022, Mina Suchoy, and Miss Earth 2023, Drita Ziri, they really hate you. What you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? And your friends from others, like Jordan Bunagan, he really hate you. You should never attack Teacher May. You know, when I promised to Jardino and I promised to Ramon Jose, I never want to harass Teacher May because she is my teacher. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you better to stop harassing Teacher May. The one she will report you to barangay alongside with Joseph Maspina's uncle. You do not know what you're doing? Like me, Paulo Cruzada, for what you have done to Teacher Gio and Teacher Vincent, to what have you done to all of them, to all of those practicum teachers who were student teachers, who were former practicumers in CDIFI. You are harassing them. You know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself, have a shame to your family. I will never ever to forgive you anyway. You know, this is your fault, Paulo Cruzada. Even you attack, even you saying about you're making a bomb joke at Germany. You know, Nanay Ningning is really mad at you. Even at her two friends, Wolfgang and Helmut, are angry at you. They're angry at you, Paulo Cruzada, Kuya M.A. He was very angry at you. You're making a bomb joke in Nagoya, Japan when he was living there. At least, Kuya M.A. had contact with the Japanese Yakuza to beaten Paulo Cruzada. At least he has his gang. At least Nanay Ningning has a gang who were two Germans. So Helmut Kallenborn and Wolfgang Lindner. Helmut Kallenborn and Wolfgang Lindner. There are two German gangs. They will beaten you, Paulo Cruzada. Me here in Philippines, in Metro Manila, I have created my own gang. Jude Goles, the CDIFI gang, oh. Even Stefan Pimentel, oh. Um, including Nicky Miranda, oh. Um, and even my other gang is Tomas Gregory Ferrer, oh. He is my other gang. And outside here in the house, in Caloocan, I got RM, I got Onyok, oh. We have Caloocan Spedmotic gang, and I have my own CDIFI Spedmotic gang. Oh. Remember, if I will never forgive you, Paulo Cruzada, this is your consequence. This will be deserve your consequence.